Hello everyone. I wanted to hop on here for a late night business update. I made a very important realization about my store. So, after running ads for around a week and getting 0 conversions, I had to be real with myself. The problem isn't the ads, it's the landing page. So, I finally realized how big of an impact a bad landing page can have on your conversion rate. Now, if a potential buyer clicks on your page and the page looks off, not professional, and untrustworthy, then simply put, they're not going to buy your product. And honestly, I think that's exactly what's happening with my store right now. So my number one priority right now is to steer the ship and rebuild the whole landing page. The layout, the copy, the trust badges, the everything. So I realized once I get this landing page clean, professional, and optimized, that's when I'm going to see the first few conversions start to flow in. Now this is part of the journey. You're going to hit walls, you're going to find weak spots, but the point is to adjust and keep moving smart, and that's what I'm doing tonight. I'll update you guys as I'm fixing the landing page and running ads again. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.